Tony Northrup recently posted a video about the famous award-winning National Geographic cover Afghan Girl, photo by Steve McCurry. His video presented a very negative perspective about the situation surrounding how the photograph was taken. According to Tony's video, social customs and traditions were seriously violated. Tony stated that ethical standards to which photographers ought aspire were ignored. Other YouTubers, such as The Angry Photographer, have presented contrary information and feel that Tony Northrup's presentation is biased and unfair and inaccurate. The Angry Photographer even suggested that Tony Northrup may have opened himself to litigation for defamation. Litigation. Lawsuit. Viewers are urged to do their own research.